So my name is Ty. I am a junior. I'm an OAM major here at Isenberg, and I'm the president of Jewish Leaders in Business and Entrepreneurship, which is a club that's being restarted here at Isenberg. It kind of died out over COVID, and this is the second year in full operation. This semester, we've had like a really cool range of meetings. We had a 98-year-old retired UMass professor come in, whose name is Dr. Gunnar, an Israeli immigrant, also Jewish. He works in the biotech world, gave us really good insight on how to start your own business, entrepreneurial spirit, things like that. But I think what's really cool that we can do is there's an organization called Challah for Hunger, which bakes challah bread and then uses the money to donate to charity, and we get to participate in like the baking part of it, so that's super fun. And then we like to mix in social activities. So we went roller skating, we went bowling, things like that during meetings as well. Just really trying to do a mix of Jewish things, social things, and professional development. I think just bringing back structure. I've seen all of my e-board like grow as leaders and as individuals. And obviously there's tough moments in leadership, especially with a club this niche. And just seeing like the same people coming back, the retention rates going up, seeing that this is something that people really want, I think is really nice for me. So the goal originally was to create a community that doesn't have as many heavy religious implications as places like the Hillel and the Chabad do, for students who feel uncomfortable going to the Hillel or the Chabad, not knowing anyone there. I know that I was in that situation. I'm originally from Israel, so like Judaism obviously is just an innate part of me. So I guess, yeah, that's the overarching goal, to continue that, to continue giving Jewish students a community outside of the Hillel, like kind of giving a more casual, like social Jewish space. Yeah, just sign up. We have an email list. We're also on Campus Pulse, and we do like the club expos, and we just stand around and we're like, please come. I'm hoping that it only continues to grow. I'm hoping that people see the value of having kind of this like intermediate space between just being a Jew on campus and being a super active person involved in the Hillel or in the